Ever wondered how your favorite animations come to life? Welcome to the captivating universe of animation, a realm where creativity meets technology. Animation isn't just about amusing cartoons or mesmerizing special effects. It's an essential tool for storytelling, education, and even scientific visualization. From traditional hand-drawn methods to stop motion, from 2D to 3D, the array of animation forms is as diverse as its applications, each one with its unique charm and possibilities. Prepare to immerse yourself in the fascinating process of creating animations. Animation is a vast field with numerous types and techniques. Let's delve into some of the most common ones. First up, we have two-dimensional or 2D animation, the classic form of animation we've all grown up with. It involves creating characters, sequences, and backgrounds in a two-dimensional space, bringing our favorite cartoon characters to life. Next, there's the marvel of three-dimensional or 3D animation, where characters and settings take on a more realistic and depth-filled form. This technique is widely used in movies, video games, and virtual reality. Then we have stop-motion animation, a meticulously intricate method where the animator physically manipulates real-world objects and captures them one frame at a time to create the illusion of movement. Lastly, rotoscoping is an animation technique where artists trace over motion picture footage, frame by frame, producing realistic action. Each type of animation holds its unique charm and application. From cartoons to video games and movies, these techniques breathe life into our imagination. Creating an animation might seem daunting, but it's a fun and rewarding process when broken down into manageable steps. First, we have conceptualization. This is the birthplace of your animation, where your ideas take shape. You'll need to decide on the story you want to tell and how you want to tell it. Next, we move on to storyboarding. Think of it as a comic strip for your animation. It's a visual representation of your story, scene by scene, guiding you through each transition. Then comes the design phase. This is where you bring your characters and environment to life. You'll decide on the color schemes, shapes, and overall aesthetics. The fourth step is the actual animation. Here, you'll bring your characters to life frame by frame, creating movement and emotion. Finally, we have post-production. This is where you'll add the finishing touches like sound effects, voiceovers, and editing. Follow these steps, and you're on your way to creating your own animation. Having the right tools can make the animation process smoother and more efficient. Software like Adobe Animate and Blender are popular choices. Adobe Animate is versatile, allowing you to design interactive animations with cutting-edge drawing tools. Blender, on the other hand, is a free and open-source tool, perfect for 3D modeling and animation. Then there's Autodesk Sketchbook, a dream for hand-drawn frames. These tools, each with their unique strengths, can empower you to bring your creative visions to life. Equipped with these tools, you're ready to start your animation journey. Now that you know the basics of animation, it's time to put your knowledge into action. We've journeyed through the magical world of animation, discussed its various types, and delved into the steps of creating your own animation. We've also explored different tools that can aid you in this artistic endeavor. But remember, animation is a creative process, so don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Each misstep is a step forward, so go ahead. Immerse yourself in this fascinating world. Happy animating!